To draw text, click FL. Click on the blank workspace. The content of the text can be modified on the left side. Click Apply. The size can be adjusted by dragging the edges. You can also adjust the size by entering the millimeter unit here. Click Center to place it in the center of the workspace. Click the red light preview. Put the stone under the red light sensor. Click on Autofocus. Two points indicate overlap. Click to carve. This is the interior carving method. FL Draw Text. Modify the content. Adjust the size by dragging. Click the H icon to fill. Use the blue ball-shaped type. Fill with a line spacing of 0.03. Click Confirm. Put it in the right place. Red light preview. Click to carve. This is the relief carving method of Yang Dial. FL Draw Text. Modify the text content on the left. Click Apply. Drag to adjust the size. Click on the square icon on the left. Draw an outline outside to wrap it up. Select the entire font. Click Fill. This is the effect of embossing. Red light preview. Click to carve. This is the method of deep carving. First, adjust the parameters on the right. Check this box first. If you want a deeper engraving, you can adjust the power or the number of processes. First, change the processing number to 10 times. Red light preview. Click to carve. This is the effect of engraving 10 times.